Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be taking an in-depth look at the O5 ZOSKVEE smartwatch, a versatile and stylish accessory for both women and men. This smartwatch doesn't just keep you on top of your fitness goals, it also lets you dial and answer calls directly from your wrist. We'll be exploring its top features from health tracking to call management and see how it can upgrade your day-to-day life. Stay tuned for a full breakdown, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Stay connected and in control with the smartwatch for men, women. Effortlessly answer or make calls, send quick replies, and access your favorite apps with the built-in AI voice assistant. Stylish yet functional, this smartwatch tracks your fitness goals and daily activity. The perfect blend of technology and convenience for your on-the-go lifestyle.
Stay connected and active with this smartwatch for men and women. Featuring a 185 HD touchscreen, it allows you to answer, make calls right from your wrist. Track your fitness with 112 sports modes plus 24/7 heart rate and sleep monitoring for complete wellness insights. The perfect companion for both your workouts and daily life.
Stay active and connected with the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, featuring step tracking, a 24/7 heart rate monitor, and built-in GPS. Its large display and lightweight design make it perfect for all-day wear. Monitor your fitness goals with ease and enjoy up to 14 days of battery life on a single charge. A stylish smartwatch for health and productivity.
Stay connected and healthy with the smartwatch for men and women featuring a 1.91 HD display. Make and answer calls directly from your wrist while tracking your fitness with 24/7 heart rate, SPO2, and sleep monitoring. Its sleek design and multifunctional features make it the perfect blend of style and convenience for everyday wear. Stay active and in control wherever you go.
Stay connected and active with the Rumen smartwatch, perfect for both men and women. Featuring call answering and making capabilities, it syncs effortlessly with iPhone and Android phones. Track your fitness, monitor your health, and stay on top of notifications, all in one stylish, versatile device. Your ideal companion for convenience and wellness.